Deep in the heart of the jungle, where the trees swayed and the rivers flowed, lived a colorful parrot named Benny. Benny had the most dazzling feathers, but there was one problem. He loved to boast. I am the fastest fly in the jungle, he would squawk to the monkeys. No one sings better than me, he would tell the nightingales. I am the smartest of all animals, he would declare to the wise old elephant, Ellie. The other animals grew tired of Benny's bragging, but he didn't care. He loved the attention. One day, the animals gathered at the great banyan tree for the Jungle Games, an event held every year. There were contests of speed, strength, and intelligence. I will win them all, Benny declared, puffing out his chest. The first event was the flying race. The eagles, hawks, and hummingbirds lined up. The signal was given and a whoosh! They zoomed through the sky. Benny flapped his wings furiously, but the eagle soared past him like the wind. Benny came last. The next event was the singing competition. The nightingale, the canary, and the cuckoo sang their beautiful melodies. When it was Benny's turn, he squawked loudly, but it was more noise than music. The judges frowned. The nightingale won. Benny lost again. Finally, there was the riddle challenge. Wisely, the elephant asked, what has roots but never grows, has a top but never shows? Benny was stumped. He had never taken the time to learn riddles. A little rabbit raised her paw. It's a mountain, she answered. The animals cheered. Benny hung his head. He hadn't won a single event. Ellie walked up to him and said kindly, Benny, it's good to be proud of your talents, but true greatness comes from learning, practicing, and being humble. Instead of boasting one cannot improve yourself. From that day on, Benny stopped boasting and started practicing. He learned new songs from the nightingale, trained his flying skills with the eagle, and even solved riddles with a rabbit. The next year at the Jungle Games, Benny didn't say a word about winning, but he flew faster, sang sweeter, and answered riddles better than ever before. And this time, when the animals cheered for him, it wasn't because of his bragging. It was because he had truly earned it. Moral of the story: hard work and humility are more important than bragging.